I invented this device and I was making the water, and the water was behaving very strangely. It seemed more viscous than other water, a little thicker. It flows a little bit funny, just enough where you notice it. We started making beer with it and wine with it. We made cement with it. We were just trying on everything we could, and everything was better. The beer went over 20% beer. The wine was unbelievable. It won some testing, taste contests, that sort of stuff. So now I was curious. Now water was not water to me anymore. It was behaving very strangely. My daughter was going to LMU, Loyola Marymount University in California, and one of her business professors said, "Why don't you bring it out and let's test it on concrete out here? Because if it changes concrete, then possibly there's something different about it." We took it out to Loyola Marymount, gave it to the professor out there, and he made concrete with it. The concrete cured in 4 days. Now, normally concrete takes 28 days to cure. So it cured 7 times faster. On top of it, it cured to almost 50% or 100% stronger. So instead of using 4 inches of concrete, you would only need 2 or 3 inches of concrete on it. Now my curiosity was really piqued, because now it was doing things that water would not do. Along the way, we also found a dissolved plastic. We could not store it in plastic anymore. So we were also kind of a little afraid of the water at this point, because it was doing stuff it shouldn't be doing.
Wow.
So I decided maybe I'll raise fish with it, because if you can raise fish are really sensitive to water. I mean, that's how they live. It's like our air to us. So we started raising fish with it, and the fish started being uber fish, beautiful fish, just big. None of them ever got sick. None of them had any diseases. They were extremely healthy, more healthy than any normal fish we've ever seen.
Wow.
So we said, okay, it's okay. So we started giving it to our dogs to also make sure they were okay. And they did wonderful, absolutely wonderful. In fact, we have a couple of German short hair pointers that are going on 16 years old now. And their life expectancy is 12. And at 16, they still think they're puppies. They can run with a 4-year-old dog. So they're doing extremely healthy. So we decided this was okay. My wife was still drinking it. And now we were really piqued.